Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to build and integrate custom forms in GoHighLevel. When we talk about forms, we're essentially talking about a box that asks people for their information. Things like name, email, or phone number. But the beauty of custom forms is that you can add your own questions, making them completely personalized. Forms are a great way to capture leads and collect information effectively. So once we build the form, we can use it across our emails, websites, funnels, and much more. But before we get started, I've got a special offer for you. You see, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial, which isn't bad. However, with my link, you will receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel has a ton of features and it can be easy to get lost and overwhelmed. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, which include the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. To start building your form, you'll need to be in your sub account. So head over to the Sites section and click on Forms. Here, you'll see the Builder option. Click on it to access your existing forms or to create a new one. So to create a new form, click on the Create New Form button, and you'll then see two options: Start from Scratch or Choose from Templates. For this demo, we're going to start from scratch, which will take you directly to the form builder. Now, in the form builder, the first step is to give your form a name. Navigate to the top, click on the pencil icon, and replace the default name with one that clearly represents the purpose of the form. Next, you can drag in various elements like first name, last name, email, and phone number. For this demo, let's capture basic contact information, which is often the first step in generating leads. So you can also scroll through the list of available elements to explore additional options, such as text boxes, drop-down menus, or checkboxes, which can be useful for gathering specific details. For instance, let's change the button at the bottom of the form. Click on the button and you can change the text to Submit for clarity. Now, you can also adjust its alignment, such as placing it in the right or center. You can also adjust its alignment, such as placing it to the right or center, depending on what looks best for your form design. You can also change the background color of the button, the text color, and more to match your brand and to make the form visually appealing. You can add custom fields to your form as well. And to do this, click on the plus button at the top left. Now, this will open a left sidebar where you can add various quick add fields to your form. For instance, you can add personal information fields like full name, first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, and email. Additionally, you can add other elements such as buttons, payment fields, address fields, or text custom fields to suit your needs. If you want to add custom fields to your form, click on the Custom Fields section within the left sidebar. And once you click, you will have options like Add. By clicking on this option, you can add new custom fields such as text input, values, choosing options, and others like file upload, signature, etc., etc. Now, let me show you how to customize the existing fields, whether they are quick add fields or custom fields. So you can adjust them the way that you like to suit your needs. Just click on any field within the form that you want to modify. And when you do this, a right sidebar is going to open up where you can adjust various settings like the label placeholder text, a short label, query key, field width, and more. Furthermore, you can change the style, theme, and access other customization options to make the form more visually appealing. To do this, just click on the Style and Options icon located at the top right corner, right below the Save button. Now, this will give you access to a wide variety of customization settings. So let's first discuss the Styles tab, where you can adjust the overall look of your form. For example, you can select a single column layout if you want everything in a neat and straightforward manner. You can also change it to a 2-column layout if you need to collect more information in a compact space. Another option is the single line format, which is great if you want to keep the form compact. Additionally, you can change the input style to either a box or a line, depending on what best fits your design. You can also have control over the form width, field spacing, and much more to give your form a professional appearance. You can even change the background color of the form fields. Now, to do this, you're going to click on the Colors and Background section in the Styles tab. For example, let's say that we go for a soft blue color for the background to create a calming effect, and then change the font color to white for better visibility. Next, let's head over to the Themes tab, and here you can see the default theme applied to your form, but you also have tons of other themes to choose from. Selecting the right theme is important for creating a cohesive look that aligns with your brand. Feel free to explore and choose a theme that best suits your audience and makes the form visually attractive. Now, once we're done customizing the style and theme, let's move over to the Options tab. Here, we can configure various behaviors of the form, such as what happens after a user submits a form. For instance, you can set up a redirect to a thank you page, add a Facebook Pixel ID for tracking, configure Facebook events, and much more. Now, these settings help ensure that the form not only collects information, but it also integrates seamlessly with your marketing efforts. So if you click on the Form Settings option, there's an important feature called Sticky Contact. Now, this feature automatically fills in the user's information if they've previously filled out a similar form on your site. I highly recommend keeping Sticky Contact toggled on because it makes the user experience much smoother, reduces friction, and it helps increase form submissions. Now, once you have built the form, you can integrate it with other websites and landing pages. So to integrate the form, click on the Integrate option at the top right corner of the form builder. Now, this section allows you to set how the form will appear. You can choose an inline form, which will appear directly on your website or funnel and stays in place as the user scrolls, so it's always visible. Now, you can also set it up as a pop-up that appears when someone takes an action, like clicking a button. So my personal favorite is the pop-up because it's more engaging and it easily grabs their attention. There are other integration options as well, like polite slide in, where the form slides in from the bottom of the screen. Users can close it if they're not interested. Sticky sidebar is another option where the form stays on the side of the page and can be minimized or expanded. But again, I prefer the pop-up, especially for lead capture forms. Now, let's talk about pop-up settings. So you can set the form to pop up after the user scrolls a certain percentage of the page or after a specific time. For example, 10 seconds after landing on your site. I usually prefer to keep it set at always show so that it only appears when triggered by a specific action. You also have deactivation options like setting the form to stop showing after it has been displayed a certain number of times. For instance, if a user has already seen the pop-up 3 times, you might not want to show it again. Alternatively, you can deactivate it once the lead has been collected. Now, this makes sense if you don't want the form to keep appearing for someone who has already signed up. If you want to embed the form outside of GoHighLevel, you can use the embed code provided. However, if you're using the GoHighLevel website builder, you can simply add the form directly without needing the code. You can also copy a link to the form, which is handy if you want to share it directly, like texting it to someone. Now, this creates a standalone page with just the form on it. For embedding the form in emails, I recommend using the inline style because it looks cleaner and more professional compared to pop-ups. To embed the form, first copy the embed code, then go to the marketing tab, select emails, and create a new blank template. Drag out the code element, paste it in the embed code, and save it. To preview how the form looks, then click preview. Now this step is important because it lets you see exactly how your subscribers will view the form. If you're happy with how the form looks, be sure to hit the save button to finalize the form and keep your changes. So that's it for this video, and I hope that the video helps you understand how to create custom forms in GoHighLevel and use them effectively in your marketing strategies. Forms are incredibly versatile and they can be a powerful tool for capturing leads and improving conversions. If you haven't already, don't forget to take advantage of my special offer. Normally, GoHighLevel is going to provide you a 14-day free trial, but with my link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial to explore everything that GoHighLevel has to offer. Plus, as a thank you, you'll receive access to my full GoHighLevel Jumpstart course to help you get started quickly and efficiently, along with my premium templates worth over $900, which you will get all for free if you use my link. Just click the link in the description to sign up, and you'll be on your way to successfully launching your digital products. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn about in GoHighLevel. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you in the next video.